Hello and welcome to HW News Network. I am your host Saurabh George. Today I am going to talk to you about 5 Indian political leaders and let us analyze, have they helped their party or harmed their party? So the 5 leaders are Tiger Raja Singh, Tejasvi Surya, Pragya Thakur, Giriraj Singh and Asaduddin Owaisi. Starting with this man Raja Singh released a 10-minute video allegedly making a derogatory comments about Prophet Muhammad. Raja Singh took a swipe at comedian Munawar Faruqui, whose show he unsuccessfully tried to disrupt. He said it was a comedy video just like Mr. Faruqi's alleged videos on Hindu gods. He asked why the insult to Ram and Sita could pass off as a comedy but not to other figures revered by other communities. A case was registered against Raja Singh under various sections of Indian Penal Code for promoting enmity between different groups on grounds of religion, deliberate and malicious act, intent to outrage religious feeling of any class by insulting its religion or religious belief, and criminal intimidation, among others. The BJP suspended Raja Singh soon after his arrest. And let me remind you, Raja Singh is from Telangana. He is a MLA of Telangana Legislative Assembly representing the Goshamel Assembly constituency. In Telangana, BJP has not performed well. But if we see the opposition Congress party did well and increased their numbers in the state, as people in the state are not accepting the communal politics of Raja Singh, who was representing BJP. Moreover, as of now, he has been suspended by the BJP party as well. Now coming to our second politician is Tejasvi Surya. In 2015, a tweet from Surya, but before that, let me remind you, he is a MP and Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha president. So coming back to the tweet, he made a derogatory comment on Arab women surfaced on social media. But later he deleted his tweet. The deleted tweet was read like 95% of Arab women have never had an orgasm in last few hundred years. Every mother has produced kids as an act of sex, not love. At the rate Tariq Fateh. In another one of his tweets, Surya has mentioned a conversation he had with a student from Christ University, where he had infamously said that Muslims must live in harmony with larger Hindu identity. Muslim girl asked me, when I mean Hindu identity, does it mean there is no space for Muslims? I said, of course Muslims can live, but must live in harmony with larger Hindu identity. I asked her if Muslims will state they will hold the constitution above the Quran in case of conflict between the two. Tejasvi's tweet dated February 20, 2019 reads with a thread of his elaborate views on the incident. Tejasvi Surya's home state is Karnataka, and this year's Karnataka 2023 election, BJP lost miserably, as the people of Karnataka did not accept Surya's communal politics and voted against BJP. Third is Pragya Thakur. Pragya Thakur was addressing the crowd at a function. She said, if we have Desi Gau Mutra every day, then it cures lung infection from COVID. I am in deep pain, but I take cow urine every day. So now I don't have to take any medicines against corona and I don't have corona. Cow urine is a life savior. In 2019, Thakur has stated that taking a mixture of cow urine and other cow products have cured her cancer. As per the Reuters report, Dr. J.A. Jayalal, the Indian Medical Association, has stated that there was no scientific evidence that showed that cow dung or urine is effective against coronavirus. There is no concrete evidence that cow dung or urine boost immunity against COVID-19. But according to the opinion polls, BJP may not do too well in the assembly elections in Madhya Pradesh, as people of Madhya Pradesh are rejecting the communal politics of Pragya Thakur. And the last political leader is Union Minister Giriraj Singh. Giriraj Singh in Bihar, canvassing in favor of Citizen Act, Giriraj Singh said the country is paying the price for its failure to send Muslims to Pakistan and bring Hindu to India after Islamic State came into being at the end of independence. The BJP leader made the remark in Bihar, which has a sizable Muslim population and where the Begusarai MP was canvassing in favor of Citizenship Act. Giriraj Singh's politics has not helped to form BJP government in Bihar, even though he is a union minister. Nitish Kumar-led government joined hands with Tejasvi Yadav and ended the alliance with BJP, and Giriraj Singh was not able to stop it. And the last leader is AIMIM President Asaduddin Owaisi. Asaduddin Owaisi in a rally in Uttar Pradesh, Owaisi was heard saying that Yogi Adityanath will not always be the chief minister and Narendra Modi prime minister. We will not forget the injustice, we will remember this injustice. Allah will destroy you through His strength. Things will change. Who will come to save you then? When Yogi will return to his mutt and Modi will retreat to mountains, then who will come? Overseas Party has 2 seats in Lok Sabha out of 543 and 0 seats in Rajya Sabha out of 245. Neither Owaisi has been able to perform well in his home state, and he has only 7 MLAs out of 119 seats in his state. As people are not accepting Owaisi's communal politics, so eventually he is not able to secure more seats in his home state. One thing which is common in all these political leaders is that they used communal overtones to secure votes and to provoke communal harmony. These leaders should understand that the people of India are rejecting communal politics and are inclining towards economic and social development. People in India today want education, healthcare, science and technology, a growing economy. Although it is not a rapid process, however, India is definitely inching towards development. The country seems to have realized that this communal politics is not good for them, nor for the state, and nor for this country. That's all on the topic, viewers. Do share your views in the comments. Be sure to tune into HW News English. Thank you for joining us.